Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Visual Studio and getting straight to Tools options. You don't need extra extensions. This built-in path controls appearance. Once done, navigate to Environment, then General to find the Color Theme option. Make sure any unsaved files are saved so the IDE won't interrupt the change. You'll see a drop-down labeled Color Theme. That's the control. You're performing the first actionable step now to switch the editor's overall look, without altering individual editor color schemes. You now pick the dark theme from the Color Theme dropdown, choose the standard dark or a variant like dark with enhanced contrast if available. After selecting, click Apply to Preview and then OK to commit. Visual Studio applies theme to menus, toolbars, and the editor. However, some tool windows may delay updating. If controls or extensions look inconsistent, restart Visual Studio to force a full UI refresh. This ensures all panes and extensions render according to the new dark palette. Finish by customizing editor token colors via Tools options, environment fonts, and colors if specific syntax elements remain unreadable. You can change text editor items like keywords, comments, and background shades to suit contrast needs. If an extension or custom settings cause mismatches, disable or update that extension. Make sure Visual Studio is updated. One key troubleshooting tip: if themes refuse to apply correctly, reset settings or clear the component cache and restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.